So we tend to have a slight problem with, you know, fancy technology. We're good with old trucks, but we don't know anything about technology. We're trying to get some really cool shots for you guys, but it's a struggle, so bear with us. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Only for Trucks. As you can see, I got Dan here at the Crybaby, and we're up in the steel mill where you guys seen videos before if you watched the channel. And we have a pretty fancy photographer here doing some sick work on his truck. And we're trying to shoot rollers and learn what we're doing. And Dan has quite a few updates about the old Peterbilt, so I figured I could get him to spit out what he's got going on. I'm really excited to hear about it myself.
Sure, yeah. I don't know. It's been, I guess, a busy summer. I put a new radiator in the truck. It was been leaking the last time I had it out. New radiator. I don't know if anybody noticed in that last video, all of the rear wheels wobbled when I was going down the road, and that was because the parts store sold me the wrong brake drums.
I hope I still have that clip, because I'll put it in here.
So I got that sorted out. I got the right brake drums on there, all new brakes in the back. I swapped around how I had the visor mounted. It's a little higher now. I think I like the way it looks a little better. Cut off the Shield brackets off of the top of the sleeper. I've been working on the sleeper, trying to make it, you know, kind of comfortable if I ever want to take a nap in there, you know.
I'm trying to push him. He's going to be staying at York with us, I hope. That's so cool.
That'll be my first camping trip.
Pretty excited.
New seats in the truck since last time. Ooh. Much more comfortable inside the drive. That's about it so far. I got some big things coming, but maybe I won't reveal those just yet.
Right. Agreed.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, you guys, I just showed you the seats. I forgot you put them in there. Yeah. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to help him, but he got them in on his own. And like I said, the York thing, I'm super excited for that. That's another truck we got lined out to come to the show. So I'm just dying to get there. There's a lot of work on everybody's trucks involved. You know, my dad's
an easy one because it's close.
Right, right. And then McCungy right after is closer. Yeah. So we got a good kickoff to try to get ourselves warmed up here. Right on. We'll see what happens. I'm pretty excited. But yeah, we're going to keep trying to get some more rollers and see what we can do. And then get back to you guys later.
Fake, I'm like, do I need to break?
He must have heard you.
Yeah, right.
I didn't tell him to do that.
I'll get kind of slow, that way we can like match the speed.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's a wrap. We just had a killer time shooting some rollers and stuff. Dan's good friend Justin. I'm going to put his Instagram and his website down below as you guys are looking at these pictures that he took today of Dan's truck. The guy is phenomenal, and I'm beyond excited to have his help on the channel with some pictures moving forward. So big thanks to Justin. It was a pleasure to meet you. And, you know, Dan, thank him for coming out huge because, like I said, I wouldn't even have these shots without him. And we had a killer day. It was a lot of fun. And I got to learn a lot about filming and putting this together for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the rolling content because I was telling him, I think we can come up with 12 trucks. We might already have 12. So we're going to make a calendar this year. That's the goal. We got to make a calendar. So, like I said, big thanks to Dan. And you guys will be hearing from him soon because we got to get him back out here and get his truck ready for York. So, I guess that's the plan, Dan.
Right on.
I like it. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.